I just got home from work. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, and look what my husband got for me. Hang on, let me turn the camera around. Look at these, how gorgeous, and look how cute. I absolutely love them. So I've had a headache all day. I have no idea why. I've already taken 2 Advils early this morning. I didn't really want to take any more. So for dinner, it's going to be something very easy peasy. I got some frozen mac and cheese that I'm just gonna stuff into the oven, and some chicken nuggets, Tyson chicken nuggets. And you know what? That's gonna be dinner. I don't know what else to say, or I didn't have any idea or clue of what else to make. I'm gonna turn the camera around now, and I'm gonna show you a little mini haul of the things that I got at Publix right now. So here we have din mac and cheese, some chicken nuggets. Look at these, how interesting. They are sour than sweet candy pop. They're Sour Patch Kids popcorn. So you all know that I had to get some of that to try. Over here, I got 2 loaves of bread. I got the multigrain for my husband. And then I just got some thick white sliced bread that James likes. Over here, I got my absolute favorite almond bear claws, which will be my breakfast tomorrow. And then over here, I got some yogurts. This big one is going to be for the family. This big one, we like to have it with fresh raspberries and fresh blueberries, and then we drizzle some honey over it. And then these 2 little ones, I'm going to do the same with the fresh fruit, but instead these are not, this one is vanilla, and this one is mango, and this one is strawberry and banana. And I'm just going to throw in some raspberries and blueberries and some honey, and this will be my breakfast tomorrow, and maybe even some granola. So I just heard the oven beeping, so I'm going to go ahead and put this into the oven. Echo, 55-minute timer.
55 minutes, starting now.
I love her. So now I'm going to get another sheet pan and throw these on there and stick them into the oven along with the mac and cheese. So now these go into the oven at the same temperature at 400, but only for 11 to 13 minutes. So when it says 11 to 13 minutes on the oven timer, I will put these in. Now I'm going to sit down and I'm going to try these with you guys, and I have to give you a little update on if they're good or not. So hang on. Well, they smell good. Hang on, let's see what they taste like. I really like them. Sour Patch Kids popcorn. It's really good. Sweetness, saltiness, delicious. I gotta stop eating them because I need to have dinner. So yeah, I got cut off by the camera. So let me know if you get these and you try them out and you like them. Let me know down below. Write a comment about the Sour Patch popcorn. I think they're delicious. Really good. Give them a try. Not sponsoring this. They're just really good. You want some? You want some? You can't have any of that. You can't have popcorn. Doggies should not eat corn. Hmm? You don't want any? You can't have any. I love her so much. You're so cute. Jojo, don't be jelly. You're cute too. I love you too. Don't be jealous. So it is the next day from last night's video, the video that I made with the mac and cheese and the chicken nuggets. By the way, it was delicious. Now I am sitting in my car because I'm a loser and I'm having lunch. I'm having some pasta salad and I don't know, I might have a yogurt, or in here I have mango slices with some cream cheese. I love this dessert. So yeah, I'm gonna start eating now. And I think I'm going to also end the vlog here. And possibly start a new one. So subscribe, like and share, and do all of that fun stuff for me so that I can continue on putting content out there for you guys. I love you all to pieces, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye, guys.